Welcome to the EFT Sleep Programming Meditation for Productivity. If you often struggle with distractions, procrastination, or feeling overwhelmed by your task, this session will help rewire your mind for clarity, focus, and inspired action. Using the powerful combination of EFT tapping and affirmations, we will first release any stress or tension and then gently program your subconscious for effortless productivity. You don't have to force anything, just listen, tap along, and let your body and mind absorb these positive suggestions as you drift into a deep, peaceful sleep. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. One more deep breath in and exhale. Feel comfort in your body. Let go of the weight of the day. There is nothing you need to do right now except relax. With each breath, release any tension in your head, shoulders, and back. Allow your body to feel lighter and your mind to slow down. Begin tapping on the side of the hand and repeat, even though my mind is active, I allow it to slow down and rest. Still on the side of the hand, even though I feel pressure to be productive, I trust that rest fuels my success. Even though I have tasks waiting for me, I give myself permission to relax now. Now tapping through the points. Eyebrow, I release all stress from today. Side of the eye, I let go of overthinking. Under the eye, it is safe to relax and sleep deeply. Under the nose, my mind and body deserves this rest. Chin, I trust that everything is working out for me. Collarbone, I surrender to deep, healing sleep. Under the arm, I wake up feeling clear and refreshed. Top of the head, I am at peace and I allow myself to rest. Take a deep breath in and out. As you sleep, your mind is absorbing these powerful affirmations. Let them sink in effortlessly. Continue tapping lightly on each point while repeating these affirmations. Eyebrow, I wake up feeling energized and ready to take action. Side of the eye, my mind is clear, focused and sharp. Under the eye, I complete my task with ease and confidence. Under the nose, productivity comes naturally to me. Chin, I manage my time wisely and effectively. Collarbone, I take inspired action and achieve my goals effortlessly. Under the arm, success flows to me easily as I work with joy and passion. Top of the head, every day I become more productive, efficient, and successful. Let these affirmations settle in. There is nothing more to do. Your subconscious is now programmed for focus, clarity, and success. Sleep peacefully, knowing that when you wake up, you will feel refreshed, motivated, and ready to shine. You are safe, you are powerful, you are limitless. Now, let go and drift into deep, restful sleep. Good night.